Hey guys, I'm showing you this Berigtta angled flat plug 16 AC outlets power strip. So it's a tower with a USB-C port and a PD 18 watt. So it's a surge protector and power tower with a 5 USB charging ports. So let's open the box and see what we got here. And you can see like comes in a simple nice packing. This is the manual. This is the main tower that have around 16 AC outlets that you can see here, 4 on each side, and they have like 4 USB and 1 USB-C. So this is the nice model and the simple thing. There is a little fan and for the air circulation. This is a 10 feet extension cord. That is our desktop for the power strip. You can see, and this is the angled plug, so it's easy to plug in. This is the on and off switch. So I just put it in the power plug here, and you can see it's a thick cable. And this one is I just put the USB. The power outlet I checked is working fine in the back side. So I just put in the some power, and you can also use it as a stand. And this power outlets on the other side I'm just using is working fine, really nice.